Welcome to Belinda's Sewing Secrets. Hi, I'm Belinda. In today's video, we're going to talk about sewing on leather and the difficulties with sewing on leather. What I was doing, I'm sewing some badges onto a leather jacket and a leather vest, and I couldn't even put a pin through the badge onto the jacket. So it's tough, but it's possible. And I'll show you the secret how. This is a leather vest I'm sewing on. So I have undone the lacing on the side just so that it's flat, which will make it easier to turn it round because you're actually sewing in a circle. So it'll just make it easier. When you're sewing leather, you do need to put a leather needle into your machine. And the reason is the leather needle is designed to go through the leather and bring the bobbin thread through without missing stitches. So it's just a better option. And you can buy them at your local store, I'm sure. So I've set my machine on straight stitch. My length is on 3. It could be shorter, but it's unnecessary. 3 is a nice length. Start sewing on a straight piece or a nice piece that you're going to be coming forward. And when you stop and turn, you need to stop with the needle in, lift the foot so the needle in the leather is going to keep your place, and you're just going to turn slightly and slightly and slightly. You're not going to push the fabric or pull it because you will break a needle. It will happen, and that's unnecessary. So you're going to sew, needle in, lift the foot, rotate. Sew, needle in, lift the foot, rotate. And remember, even if you think your foot's down, make sure that lever at the back is down or at the side, wherever your machine's take-up lever is. If it's not down, you have no tension, and then you're going to get loops. So even if it's thick enough where it feels like it's resting on the fabric, just make sure your foot is down and then sew a bit, lift, turn, and just keep going round. Roll up your bulk if you have to, feed it through the throat of the machine, and keep going. And just go slowly. Your machines don't have to sew fast through leather. If it can't go through slowly, it's certainly not going to go through fast, and then you really are going to create problems and damage to your machine. So just go along at a nice pace. Stop, needle in, turn. I've put red on the top and black underneath because the badge top is red and the lining of the jacket is black. If it was gold and green, that's what I'd do. So just make sure your thread matches your lining at the bottom and your color that you're sewing on at the top, and it will look nice and professional. So I've stitched all the way around the badge, and now I've got to where I started. So I'm just going to go over that beginning and do a reverse stitch, and then it's secure. Then we'll take the vest out from under the machine. I have to lift the sewing foot to get it out because the vest is very heavy. I did put a spot of glue under each badge before I started just to secure them. So now you'll see that I'm just going to snip the threads off and have a look at the badges on the front. They're perfect, nice and professional. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you have any questions about sewing on heavy fabrics or any questions on sewing, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them. And if I can, I'll make a video to answer the question. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. And Linda Lou will point out a video that we suggest that could be of interest to you.